trigonometric function continuous. We have the result sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So when this a is replaced by x and b is also replaced by x, then sin x plus x. So instead of a there is x, instead of b there is x. There is sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. There is sin x cos x plus cos x sin x means what? Sin x cos x itself, right? So sin x cos x plus sin x cos x, that is 2 sin x cos x. Here's this result, sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Similarly, we have to prove cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. For that, cos 2x means x plus x, then cos a plus b result, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then instead of cos x means cos square x minus this is sin x sin square x. So cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So another result can also be proved for cos 2x. That is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. That is this result. Then cos square x minus what is sin square x? We have the formula in the previous class. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Then this sin square x equal to what? This 1 minus cos square x. So sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. That is applied here. Then cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. When bracket is opened, this minus will go inside the bracket and hence this 1 becomes minus 1 and minus cos square x becomes plus cos square x. So cos square x plus cos square x, that is 2 cos square x, then this minus 1. So cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Again, cos 2x, we have cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x, that is here. Then what is cos square x? Same formula, sin square x plus cos square equal to cos square x equal to 1. Then cos square x equal to this 1 minus sin square x. This result is applied here, 1 minus sin square x. This minus sin square x means what? Minus 2 sin square x. So cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So these are the similar results for cos 2x. So here first result, second one and third one. We can derive another equation for cos 2x. Cos 2x, we have cos square x minus sin square x, that is first result, cos square x minus sin square x. Then we can take its denominator as 1, cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1. There is nothing happened when this 1 is taken as denominator. But we have this 1 means what? Cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, this one. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 or cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. That is, we had learned this from previous classes. So cos square x plus sin square x. Then we can take cos square x outside. Cos square x is taken outside. So this becomes 1 here. And there is no cos square x to take outside. So in the denominator we can write cos square x. Which means what? This cos square x into 1 means cos square x. Then minus this cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. Cos square x can be cancelled, so only remaining is what? Sin square x, that is in this step. So when there is nothing to take out, the common factor can be taken in the denominator. That is happened here. So cos square x into 1 minus sin square x by cos square x. So as in the case, the denominator become also with that of numerator. When cos square x is outside, then 1 plus sin square x by cos square x. These cos square x can be cancelled. Sin square x by cos square x equal to tan square x. We have sin x by cos x equal to tan x. So sin square x by cos square x equal to tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. This is the corresponding result for cos 2x. So here cos 2x is expressed in terms of tan x. But here cos 2x is expressed in terms of sin x. Cos 2x is expressed in terms of cos x. This is general result for cos 2x. So you learn these column results which is in this column is learned to be by heart. So this is learned to be by heart, and similarly this column and this also. Then we can derive another result for sine 2x. We have sine 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. That's here. Sine 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. So taking denominator as 1 and same procedure. From the denominator we can take cos square x outside. So this is obtained. This means tan square x. Sin by cos means tan. Okay, 2 sin x by cos x. Then divided by tan square x plus 1. Only arrangement. So sin 2 sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is equal to tan x. So sin 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, which is the corresponding result for sin 2x. And sin 2x is expressed in terms of tan x. Tan x is further derived as tan 2x equal to tan x plus x. X plus x means 2x. So tan a plus b divided by 1 minus a. 1 tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, which is a result for tan 2x. So tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x. This is 1 minus tan square x, and hence we reach this result. Here tan 2x is expressed in terms of tan x itself. And sin 3x, that is sin 2x plus x, that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula. Instead of a, here 2x, and for b, x. So sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x sin x. This sin 2x can further be derived as what? 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. So 1 cos x is remaining here. So cos x cos square x. So sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, and this cos x, then cos square x plus cos 2x, our previous result in the previous page, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Then outside the bracket there is sin x. Okay. So 2 sin x, what is cos square x? Okay, cos square x plus 1 into sin x minus 2 sin square x into sin x, 2 sin cube x. That is 2 sin x cos square x, 1 minus sin square x, that is here. Cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Then further expansion, 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into sin square x, 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. That is 2 sin x plus sin x, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, which is the corresponding formula for sin 3x. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Similarly, cos 3x. Cos 2x plus x, that is cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And we have the result for cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. Outside the bracket there is cos x minus what is sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, and further there is a cos sin x, that is here. 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus 2 sin x sin square x, then cos x here. 2 cos x into cos x, that is 2 cos cube x minus 1 into cos x expansion minus 2 sin square x cos x. Okay, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 into here sin square x, our previous formula, 1 minus cos square x into cos x. That is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos square x. Bracket expansion with this negative. So positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. That is happened here. That is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And hence we reach this result, cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Further, tan 3x, we can take tan 3x as tan 2x plus x. We have the formula tan a plus b equal to what? Tan a tan b plus divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So here tan 2x can further be derived. What is tan 2x? Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. That is our formula. That is applied here. Plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x is also here, and the same formula is applied here into tan x. Then taking denominator here 1, then cross multiplication, that is 1 minus tan square x into 1, 1 minus tan square x, 2 tan x into 1, 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 minus tan square x, this one. Similarly in the denominator, Here we are putting a denominator as 1, then 1 into 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x, then 1 into 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x minus. Here 2 tan x into tan x, 2 tan square x. So these common denominators can be cancelled. So first denominator this one and second denominator this one. Okay. That's 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 tan x minus tan x into tan square x, tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x, that is 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. So hence we reach this formula, tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Similarly, we have the formula sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, or sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, which is termed as equation number 1, and its negative result sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos a sin y, which is taken as equation number 2. Add these two equations, that is we are adding here. Okay. Then sin x plus cos y, sin x plus cos y, which means what? 2 times. 2 that is sin x plus cos y plus sin x plus cos y, that is here. These can be cancelled. So this is what sin x plus cos y plus sin x plus cos y 2 times sin x plus cos y. So this result means what? Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is what? 2 sin x cos y. Then we are arranging this x plus y as C and this x minus y as D. Then we are adding these two results. That is x plus y equal to C, x minus y equal to D. We are adding. So C plus D. This one. Minus y and plus y getting cancelled. X plus x equal to 2x. So 2x equal to C plus D and x equal to C plus D by 2. Then similarly 3 minus 4. We are subtracting these two. So we got y equal to C minus D divided by 2. Then apply here. Sin. What is x plus y? What is x plus y? That is C. Sin C plus this is sin D. So sin C plus sin D equal to what? 2 sin what is x? X is obtained as C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2 cos what is x y? C minus D by 2. So we reach this result, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D divided by 2. Similarly, further result can also be derived, and I am avoiding several steps here and writing only the results. What is here? Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Then it's negative 1. Sin C minus D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D divided by 2. So all these results must be learned as by heart. Next question, find the value of sin 15. Sin 15 means what? 45 minus 30. So sin A minus B. What is sin A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 35 cos 45 sin 30, and the corresponding results can be applied here. We have sin 45 means 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. That is these results are from 10th standard. So 1 into root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so same denominator. So we are taking only one denominator is 2 root 2 and root 3 minus 1. Okay. Similarly, sin 75. So you can do in similar way. Okay, I am avoiding the steps. So answer is this one. Similarly, tan 15. We have tan 15 means 45 minus 30, and you will get this result. Okay. Then prove that sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan x minus y by 2. We have the formula. So here we are going to prove this one as this one. So taking this as left hand side, that is LHS. Okay. This here formula sin x minus sin y, which is corresponding to what? Sin C minus sin D. That is this one, sin C minus sin D. What is sin C minus sin D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. 2 cos c means x, d means y. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So we reached here. So these can be cancelled. So only remaining are sin x minus y by 2 by cos x minus y by 2. That is tan x minus y by 2. Okay. The next one, prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. So taking the left hand side as this one. Then here 4x, here 3x. When while we are adding 4 plus 3, then we will get 7. Then by the formula, sin c cos c plus cos d means what? 2 cos c plus d by 2. So 4 plus 3 by 2, that is 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So 0.5. So decimals may create complications. So to avoid this decimals, we are arranging this as cos 4x plus cos 2x, because 4x plus 2x means 6x. Okay, so we are arranging this as what? Cos 4x plus cos 2x, then cos 3x divided by cos 4x plus sin 4x plus sin 2x plus this sin 3x is here. Then we have the formula cos c plus cos d. What is that? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, where c means 4x, d means 2x. Then plus cos 3x is here. Similarly, for the denominator, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, then plus sin 3x is here. Okay. Then this 2 cos 4x plus 2x is 6x, 6x by 2 3x. Okay. When we are taking cos 4x plus cos 3x, then 4 plus 4x plus 3x 7x, then by 2 3.5, which may create complication. So to avoid this complication, we are arranging this one, and hence we got 2 cos 3x into 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2x. So 2 cos 3x cos x plus cos 3x divided by 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 means 4 plus 2 6 by 2 3 cos x plus sin 3x. Here cos 3x, so cos 3x can be taken outside. So 2 cos x plus 1 divided by, here sin 3x can be taken outside, 2 cos x plus 1. These can be cancelled, so cos 3x by sin 3x, which leads or result cot 3x. Okay. Then 7th one, prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 sin x. So taking the left hand side, this one, cos c minus cos d result. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Then apply here. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Right. Then 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 2 times. That is 6 pi by 4. Plus x and minus x are getting cancelled. Divided by 2. Then sin 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 are getting cancelled. X minus x, that is 2 negatives because positive. X plus x 2x. So 2x by 2. 6 pi by 4 by 2 means what? 3 pi by 4. 2x 6 pi by 4. Okay. 2x by 2. 2 2's are cancelled. Then x. That's minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. Pi by 4 means what? Pi is 180. 180 by 4 45. So 3 into 45 135. So we reach here. Then minus 2 sin 135 means what? 90 plus 45. Okay. Then what is sin 90 plus theta? We have the reduction formula. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So here instead of theta there is 45. So cos 45. So minus 2 cos 45 cos s. We have cos 45 from 10th standard as 1 by root 2. Okay. So minus 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x. What is 2? 2 means root 2 into root 2. Okay. What is root 2 into root 2? Root 2 into root 2 equal to root 4. Root 4 is 2. What is 5? 5 means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5, root 25. Root 25 is 5. So, then what is x? Root x into root x. Okay. So minus, what is 2? Root 2 and root 2. So 1 root 2 is cancelled here. Okay. Then minus root 2 sin x. That is right hand side mentioned here. Minus root 2 sin x. Okay, that is all about this class. And now we are winding up this class, and we will meet with trigonometry again in the next class. Okay, thank you for watching.